Look, I got a different video for you guys today. So, a lot of people ask me, how do you actually make money from YouTube? Is it the ad revenue? Is it what you sell? Is it the merch? Well, I'm currently making about $300 per day on YouTube, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm doing it step by step. Even a baby can do it, okay? So, if we look here, this is my Stripe account. This is gross volume, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm making this gross volume step by step. It's actually pretty simple. A lot of people don't think that you can make good money off of YouTube, but in reality, it's actually pretty easy once you understand the steps needed to do it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go into the computer, I'm gonna show you exactly how I go about this, I'm gonna show you how I grew my channel, I'm gonna show you how I'm monetizing my channel, how you can do the same. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here we are on the back end of my computer, and today I'm going to be literally breaking down how you can make an extra $200 to $300 per day making YouTube videos on what you're passionate about, okay? So it's actually pretty simple. It's a simple process to talk about, but before we do this, I want to make this very, very clear that I am not talking about YouTube AdSense. If you don't know what AdSense means, it basically means YouTube paying you for displaying ads on your channel, right? YouTube paying. So let me show you exactly how much money I'm making from ad revenue. This is my ad revenue for my channel. It's only $206.34 per month, and it's nothing, okay? As you can see though, it's gradually spiking day per day, and I think that that's because I'm creating more content. So yeah, it's good revenue if you can live off $206 a month, but if you're like me, you might need $10,000 a month, right? So let's talk about it. So how I started this, how I started making the money off my YouTube channel is I started with just creating content that people really, really liked, okay? So creating content that people really, really liked, right? And this content was niche specific. So how I started was, I started by creating videos on Facebook ads, all right? Now, here's the thing. If you create how-tos, if you create tutorials, if you create anything that has to do with teaching somebody how to use something, you are going to, no matter what, you are going to get new subscribers, okay? But the goal here is, I want to teach you how you can monetize the subscribers. So let's talk about how you get the subscribers first. Well, you got to understand, YouTube is in the game to display ads. They don't want to do anything but display ads. So they get creators to display their ads. So in a sense, you need YouTube to look at your channel and say, hey, what a great channel. Let's promote it so we can display more ads. And I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So when you go to your analytics and you go to your watch time reports, or actually go to traffic sources, you'll quickly notice that your traffic source will always, if you're doing YouTube right, your biggest traffic source will come from suggested videos, okay? What does that mean? Well, when I go onto YouTube and I type in, let's just say Casey Neistat, and what you'll notice is in the suggested videos, those are the videos to the side. Let's go to this Alex Becker video really quickly. I might give you a good example using Alex's channel. But what I'm talking about is you can actually see that Alex is ranking here on the side. So he has what's called a creator suggested video. Now, the more you can get on this sidebar right here, the more you're going to rank for videos on YouTube. So let's talk about it. How can you get your videos here, first of all, right? Because before we can monetize it, we need to figure out how we can get traffic. So if we know that suggested videos are my biggest traffic source, how can we ensure that YouTube is giving me suggested videos? Well, after further analysis and looking at my videos that have done really, really well, I've noticed a pretty clear pattern as to what kinds of videos get the suggested video. And I'm going to tell you right now, and it's actually pretty simple. So what you do is you need to make sure that you are abiding by YouTube's rules. So YouTube ranks a video based on these key factors. They rank on watch time. They rank on CTR, which stands for click-through rate if you're not familiar, okay? And they also rank your videos based on comments and engagement. I'm just gonna write engagement, okay? So how can you actually flub this in a sense to get YouTube to start promoting your content? Well, I did a little experiment a couple days ago and I created a video, and that video was called, let me actually just go to my channel really quick. That video was called How to Make $1,000 a Day, all right? And it was right here. Here it is, how to make $1,000 in 2018 and how to make money online with Google. And as you can see, these videos performed exceptionally well, 1K, 1.2K views, and there's a reason why they're performing so well. So I want to talk about how you can create videos like this that start performing very, very well, even if you have a channel with no subscribers. So here's the thing. Subscribers don't mean shit, okay? I'm just gonna say don't mean shit. Because as you can see, most of my videos are coming from suggested. So they're not even my subscribers yet. YouTube wants to promote my videos because people are watching them, you know, because I'm following these little guidelines, you know. I'm getting people to watch the video as long as I can. I'm getting a high click-through rate. I'm getting engagement. So let me first off start telling you how to get these metrics in line so you can start ranking for your video, okay? So let's talk about it. Well, YouTube wants to promote, at the end of the day, ads, like I said before. So here's what you need to do. You need to post a video, okay? Every time you post a video, here's what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that it's at least 10 minutes long, all right? That is the minimum. And here's why, right? Let's think about the psychology behind this. Well, if somebody sees a video is 10 minutes long and they've watched it 30 seconds of the way through, do you think it's safe to say that they're going to watch it for 5 minutes just because it's 10 minutes long, they don't want to miss out on some important information? The answer is yes. Now, let's compare that with a video that is, let's just say, 2 minutes long, all right? 2 minutes long, somebody's watched the video for, let's say, 30 seconds, same time. Do you think it's a high probability that they're going to feel like they're not going to miss much information because it's only 2 minutes long? The answer is yes. They're actually going to click off of your video and go watch a different video. So that's exactly what you don't want. You want your channel to build trust, and you want your channel to, in a sense, make it easy for YouTube to promote ads on it. And the only way they're going to do that are if people are watching your videos for a long period of time. So I'm going to tell you some big no-nos when you're starting YouTube. The first big no-no, never, I mean never, take someone off your channel, all right? This is the number one thing you should not do. So if somebody's watching one of your videos, make sure they are not clicking off of YouTube onto some type of sketchy-ass link that you're putting in the description. Because the more trust you can build with YouTube, aka not taking somebody off your channel, the more they're going to start promoting your content, and you're going to start getting into that little creator, little sidebar, that creator tab that you really, really want to get into so you can start making money off of YouTube. So let's talk about this, right? How can you do this? What are some strategies that you can implement today when you upload your next video that is going to allow you to do this? Well, here's one of my favorite strategies I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to my #1 video, if you go to one of my videos here, how to easily make money online in 2018, I'm going to show you. So here, you see a bunch of links. Now, keep in mind that my goal is obviously to promote my channel. So I have a little learn more about SEO that clicks off to my channel. So I'm not taking people off of YouTube. I'm actually just taking them to my channel so they can watch more content, giving my channel more authority. Now, the other thing you want to notice is I'm interlinking. So in a sense, I've created a little playlist where people can just click off of this and go to the different videos. And it's really, really important that you do that, because what's going to happen is you're going to get a higher creator suggested. As you can see, this has an 11 of 20 suggested videos. You want to make sure that you're getting on these suggested videos. As you can see, all of these videos are mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, it's very likely that if somebody watches this video, they're going to watch a different video. So I make sure I interlink all of my videos like this. When you're starting, do not add these links. Do not add these join our Facebook group. Don't add how to make extra money. And do not add like a course link. Terrible idea, because you need to build this trust with YouTube before you can actually start ranking videos. So let's talk about that, guys. So really, I just gave you the holy grail of it all. Interlink your YouTube videos. It's the same with like a blog post, right? As you can see, like if you go to a blog post like Neil Patel's, he interlinks all of his blogs. He makes sure that they're all linked together because it's going to keep people on his website, therefore giving him higher rankings in the search engines. So now that you know to interlink these videos, that's all you really need to know, and you need to just pump out content every single day and keep on interlinking these videos. And it's going to be slow at first, guys, but I want to show you the type of growth I was able to achieve in 7 months. So here's the type of growth I was able to achieve in about 7 months. Right now, my channel is doing about 2,000 average views per day. Some days they're really high. Like Monday, they're at 4,097 new subscribers. And basically, because I followed this strategy, I was able to do this. And now I can do something very beautiful called monetize my channel if I really wanted to. Or I can continue to grow the channel and monetize it later, which is another option that I have. But let's talk about how you can monetize this, because a lot of people think you make money through the AdSense, which is actually inaccurate. So let me talk to you about how you can make money with YouTube, all right? I'm going to name one way that is the most effective way that allows people like Tanner J. Fox, Ryan Hildreth to afford their Lamborghinis, etc. So you need to create what's called an information product, okay? Information, all right? So, you know, at first, I didn't think I was gonna sell any of these. I literally said, okay, I'm gonna make an SEO course, and that SEO course is just gonna go into the trash can, okay? But that's not what happened. What actually happened was I put a little link in my bios of my videos, and keep in mind, my channel is getting around 2,000 views a day, so that's 2,000 impressions that link gets per day. It's a lot. Now, what happens is people will click this link to basically see what you have to offer. So you can say something like course and then semicolon, right? Course, semicolon, and then your link. And then when people click it, it takes them off of YouTube into what you should have, which is called a funnel, all right? Now this funnel does a very basic thing. Basically what it does is it gives the reader something, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. So when you funnel these people off of YouTube, you need to give them something very relevant to your channel. So for me, it would probably be like how to rank #1 on Google. Free video series, all right? So now when people click off of my channel to go to this website that I've designed, this funnel, I recommend using ClickFunnels, you're going to give them a video video series called how to rank #1 on Google, right? So when they click off, they're gonna have to enter in their email address. So now you're actually building an email list with your YouTube channel. It's very powerful stuff, email. And then once you have that email, you can now send them to a targeted, right? You can now not only send them through the funnel, right? Because now what I'm gonna do once they enter their email is I'm gonna show them a video and I'm gonna give them a call to action. I'm gonna say, hey, buy this now, okay? Buy now. But then also what you can do is you can set up an automated responder in emails and drip feed them emails. And these emails typically get about a 40% open rate because people are already familiar with your YouTube channel. So it's actually very powerful. So what you go in and you send them these automated emails to bring them back to this page. This is how I've been successfully able to make, you know, roughly about slow days, $100 a day on YouTube, high days, $500 a day on YouTube, depending how many courses I sell. I want to show you exactly what this process looks like so I'm not bullshitting out of my ass just telling you a bunch of shit. I want to show you how it actually works. So here's my ClickFunnels. And as you can see, it is 6 secrets on how I get 4,000 targeted visitors to my website for free with no money. Now, as you can probably imagine, this link is right here. So in all my videos, I add this link and it goes right to this page, theundergroundsecrets.com, where you can actually learn how to do SEO. So I'm not promoting my course right now, guys. I'm just showing you how you can make money from YouTube. So a lot of people think that you make money from actually getting AdSense, but this is how you actually make money. So here's what happened. Now these people are already comfortable with me, people who have already looked at my channel for a long time, and now they might say, okay, you know what? I'm gonna put my email in. I wanna see the 6 videos, okay? Once they do that, I put them through a funnel, okay? And I say, your access is ready. All of the 72 videos are available on this page for the next 72 hours, okay? Now keep in mind, once they're on this page, my automated responder has already started to go out to send them simultaneous emails where I can then get them back to my channel, or my channel, or even my video to make money so they can buy my course, right? So that's how you go about it. So here's the video, here's the landing page. You know, I give them 6 very, very effective videos. And then I say, hey, don't stop learning, click here. So then what you do is you send them to your sales page where then you can actually ask for money from your subscribers. This is by far the way you do it, I believe so. Giving upfront value as much as you can, and you can create all of this within ClickFunnels, or you can hire somebody on Fiverr to do it. It's really not that difficult. And once they click here, well, now what you're doing is you're getting conversions, and you're getting sales every single day just from having a YouTube channel. Guys, that was some massive value I just delivered. If you liked what you just saw, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. I want to hear your thoughts on this. I want to hear how you're making money on YouTube, and I want to hear, more importantly, how you're going to implement this stuff into your business day to day. So, Ruan here, and I am checking out. I hope to see you guys next time.